A very cheerful morning to all my lovely children. I hope you all are enjoying studies and you all are enjoying learning new things every day. Yes. Okay, so let's continue. In the last lesson, ICT lesson, you learned about the parts of a computer. The parts of a computer. You learned about main parts of computer, that is monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse. These are four main parts of computer. After that, you learned about the additional devices that can be connected to a computer. It was printer to take the printout of anything on a paper, which is called a hard copy. Then you learnt about scanner. Scanner reads out the pictures or words from the paper and stores into the computer. And then you learnt about the speakers to listen any sound stored on a computer. They come in pairs and they are connected to CPU with a cable. And then you learnt about headphones. Headphones which are worn over the ears, which are used to listen to the music without disturbing the people around you. And the wire or the cable of the headphone is connected to the same CPU. Alright, now you have got enough knowledge and now you're all set to do this back exercise. Okay, let's continue. Fill in the blanks. The help box is given here. Let's see the words keyboard, speakers, scanner, printer and CPU. Now we have to see which word will fit into which sentence. Number 1, dash is the brain of a computer. Oh, that's the easy one. Which part of computer is the brain of computer? That's right. It is CPU. So here we will write CPU. Number 2, we can type alphabets or numbers using the dash. We can type alphabets or numbers using the dash. What do you use to type? Keyboard. That's right. So here we will write keyboard. Okay. Number 3. A dash is used to take a printout on paper. What is used to take a printout on a paper? That's right, it's printer. So here we are going to write printer. P-R-I-N-T, print, E-R-R, printer. Next one is a dash is a machine that reads the text or pictures printed on a paper. Which machine can read from the paper? Yes, that is a scanner. So here we will write scanner. S-C-A-N-N-E-R, scanner. And the last one is dash are used to listen to music stored on a computer. Speakers are used. So how do we spell speakers? First of all, you can write speak, S-P-E-A-K, speak, then E-R-S, speakers, right? Speakers. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Write true or false. True means correct, false means wrong. Okay, children, I want to tell you that you can solve this exercise easily only and only if you are able to read the sentences independently and absolutely on your own. If you take help from others to read it for you, to read the sentences for you, then it's going to be very difficult. That's why I always tell you to do lots and lots of reading practice. Because I know you know about all the facts, but problem comes when you stuck in the reading. Okay, so do lots of reading practice. Okay, number 1, a monitor shows the work that we do on a computer. A monitor shows the work that we do on a computer. Is it true? Yes. So for true, we will just write T. Number 2, you can watch stories on the CPU. You can watch stories on the CPU. Can you watch stories on the CPU? This is wrong. So here we are gonna write F for false. Number 3, a keyboard is used to draw pictures. A keyboard is used to draw pictures. It's wrong again. So false. Speakers come in pairs. Speakers come in pairs. Yes, that's true. Speaker comes in pairs. So true, false, false, and true. Next is rearrange the jumbled letters to get the name of a computer part. These are the parts of computer, but the spellings are jumbled up. They are written at the wrong place. So what do you think, which computer part is this? MSEOU? Yes, it is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Now listen, you can do it only if you remember the spelling. If you have learned the spelling, only then you will be able to do it. They have written all of these in the capitals, so we will also write it in the capitals. MOUS and E. Alright. Which part you think is this? ROTIONM. What do you think? Do you think it is CPU? Do you think it is printer? No, it is monitor. So MONITOR. Monitor. Okay? Now next one. What do you think it is? GRAOBYEK. Is there any part which has K? Yes, keyboard. So KEY, key, BOARD, board. You can learn it like KEY, key, BOARD, board. Now it is very important for you to learn the spellings only, then you'll be able to do it. Okay? Now this is tick the right answer. You have to tick the right option. A dash is used to point at things on the monitor. What is used to point at things on the monitor? CPU, mouse, or printer? Mouse. So we will tick on B part. Number 2 is a monitor looks like a dash. A monitor looks like a dash. Television, CPU, or mouse? It is very easy. Monitor looks like a television. So you will took here. Number 3. A dash is used to take a printout on paper. A dash is used to take a printout on paper. Printer. So we will tick here. Number 4. A dash is present inside the CPU box. What is present inside the CPU box? CPU, monitor, or speakers? This is very easy. CPU. Okay, let's move on. Answer in one word. What is used to type letters, numbers, or words? Which part of computer is used? Yes, it is keyboard. Number 2. Which part of a computer helps us to draw pictures? Do you draw pictures with the help of scanner or printer? No, it is mouse. Yes. Next is name the device that is worn over the ears to listen to music. Which device you worn on ears? Headphones. HEAD, head. Phones. PHONES, phones. Last one is which device helps in reading text or pictures printed on a paper? Which device reads from paper? Yes, Scanner. 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 Okay, let's move on to the next page. This will be your homework, children. You have to complete this page. Color the alphabet keys that spell your teacher's name with sky blue color. You have to color. See, these are the alphabet keys. My name is Shivani, so you will color SHIVANI. Okay. Next one is complete the crossword with the help of pictures. You have to complete this crossword. For example, this is scanner, so here you will fill the spelling of scanner. This is printer, here you will fill spelling of printer. This is keyboard, so fill here keyboard. Likewise, you have to complete this grid. Okay, so your work for today is you will complete this back exercise in the chapter. That's it. Take care, children. Bye bye.